Are you looking for the best yoga block in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best yoga block. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Reehut Yoga Block. Yoga blocks don't tend to be expensive, but Reehut's yoga blocks are budget-friendlier than most. The starter blocks are crafted from high-density EVA foam, a supportive and durable material but still lightweight. And the blocks promise to be moisture-proof, too, meaning they are not likely to slip out of place, even if you work up a sweat. The brand also offers a 60-day money-back guarantee and an 18-month replacement guarantee, both of which make the deal even sweeter. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gaiam Yoga Block. If you're looking for something classic and straightforward, you can't go wrong with Gaiam's Yoga Block. Crafted from EVA foam, Gaiam's Yoga Block is dense enough to support you as you tackle challenging postures but still lightweight enough to carry with you. The block's beveled edges make it easy to grip, and its non-slip surface will ensure your yoga block stays exactly where it's supposed to be during your practice. Plus, Gaiam lets you customize your block's appearance. Choose between an array of fun colors and prints, and craft a block you'll love looking at. At number 3, we have the Clever Yoga Blocks and Strap Set 2-Pack Yoga Blocks. Opening the double block and strap yoga bundle from Clever Yoga 2 blocks and strap set inspired us to get on our mat. This 2-pack of traditionally sized blocks is made of eco-friendly, high-density EVA foam. The perfectly beveled edges make them easy to grip, and the non-slip surface ensures that they stay in place, even when you're dripping with sweat. The included strap is made of 100% cotton and scarcely showed signs of use after our battery of tests, and each block is lightweight and easy to use during fast-paced flows. The construction of these bricks allows them to feel soft on the outside while dense on the inside. This affordable bundle truly makes practicing yoga with props widely accessible. Decreased durability is par for the course in the world of foam yoga blocks. While the Clever Yoga Blocks held up to our imposed demands decently, they are certainly not impermeable. The foam is well compressed, but our fingernails could still create blemishes on the surface of the blocks, though we weren't able to gash the foam the way you can with lower density blocks. Overall, these are decently tough, especially considering they are constructed of puncturable materials, but they have their limits. We recommend this yoga bundle for beginners and advanced practitioners alike because of its affordable price and gentle exterior. Deepen your practice without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Cork Yoga Block. If you're seeking an incredibly supportive and well-compressed set of Cork yoga blocks, the Node Fitness Cork Set of 2 set is the pair for you. These seriously dense, natural bricks stay where you place them and are strong enough to support the weight of heavier bodies. While cork is more porous than EVA foam, the high-density cork of these blocks repels sweat and condensation far better than other similar options. We felt super comfortable breaking a sweat and resting our bodies atop these solid, environmentally friendly assistants. The increased weight of these bricks aids in their overall support, so we found them excellent during poses where we really had to rely on our props for stability. The uber-compacted cork of the Node Fitness blocks creates a tough brick, which isn't always the most comfortable beneath stiff joints. The uncontoured edges and corners make these blocks best for strength-focused practices. They're not quite gentle enough for slow-moving, restorative practices. However, anyone looking for a prop that will support their body weight for the long haul will be satisfied with these blocks. They stay put, do not compress with use, and support more weight than many competitors. And finally at number 1, we have the Heathyoga Yoga Blocks. This set from Heathyoga Strap and 2 block set includes 2 blocks and a yoga strap, a welcome addition to any prop collection. Even after years of teaching, it is still rare to find yoga blocks with a thinner profile like this contender. We were pleased with this size when working through more delicate backbend variations and mid-range lunge poses. We typically don't use more than a single block during practice, but the non-conforming shape of the Heathyoga made us appreciate the matching set. These blocks are comprised of a high-density EVA foam that allows for a solid base and sweat-repelling exterior. They're the most durable EVA foam blocks we tested. Like most things, they can be damaged with force, but you can rest assured that fingernails aren't going to leave a mark on these blocks. The rounded corners on this 9 inches by 6 inches by 3 inches brick add a lovely touch of compassion during difficult postures, and the high-density foam creates a tougher than average yet still forgiving surface. Upon unveiling this bundle of yoga goodies, we were immediately offended by the odor of the foam. We allowed the foam to breathe for about 48 hours and were then able to enjoy our yoga practices odor-free. And while the non-traditional size ended up being an attribute for us, we encourage consumers to be aware that the standard yoga block size offers a full inch more in terms of a support base, depending on what block configuration you prefer to use. Ultimately, we are pleased by the durability and affordability of this collection and unanimously agree that the Heathyoga bundle is a top-shelf choice for yogis looking to deepen their practice with props. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.